Then what?
And then go ahead to the table, and it's security. Should be almost at the bottom. I'm sorry, users. It is at the bottom. Sorry.
Okay.
Users.
And then that's where we're at right now.
You can use to find a user, because we've got these funky numbers in the front and it's hard to find somebody. You can click find user and search by first, last name. Otherwise, then of course to add a user.
Got it. And if you're adding a user, where do you go?
There's an add button up at the top there too.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah, I got it.
Hit close here. That's you got to look up, and then up here there's add.
Okay. Okay, got it.
And what happens is it creates an empty row down here at the bottom where the finger's at, and then you would just start filling in the stuff across.
Okay.
The only quirky thing to know about this is when you set the password, you have to hit the tab key after you type the password the first time, then it takes you to a confirm screen. Otherwise, if you try to hit enter or just click over it, it keeps flipping you back.
Okay.
But you have to hit the tab key to see the secondary confirmation. So
when it comes to users, and if you instead of hitting enter, if you always just hit tab, that works too,
yeah,
right?
that'll be fine.
So, do we fill out all the required information for them, or just some of it?
Just some of it. A lot of it gets filled in by default.
Okay, good.
A lot of it is like, when's the first time they logged in? When's the last time they were logged in? What is the date? I forget what the date. When I think the account was created. The main things you're going to want to do is the password. What is their startup group? So what cost center or department are they want to start off from right away? So that they're not, poking around trying to find where they belong.
How would we find that information?
In the help desk ticket, they're supposed to type, this person is, in the ICU department, 7160 at Covenant. Okay, first and last name is all we collect.
Yeah.
No phone numbers or anything.
Right.
And then you can see some of them are already automatically filled in. This schedule code, I said I've never touched it, so no one's ever complained and said, hey, I can't perform a function, so I don't add it. The only thing I do add is audit trail, because we do want to audit any changes they make to the system in case anybody complains and says, somebody changed my schedule. And give them log off user rights. And then there's just two other fields towards the end that we change, and that would be their admin privileges, whether they have and then their hospital. So you can see IT people get the health system, the entire, but you can pick which hospital, Mission, Queen.
Right.
And then the user category, which is, are they just a normal user like a help desk person? Are they a self-schedule? They're actually a nurse that's going to be putting their schedules in, or are they a view only, where it says it's an admin assistant, they just can see the
and that'll
the
be in the ticket,
schedule.
I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, sometimes they're not very good at putting it in there, but you just end up calling the user and asking, what do you